Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Guys, if you enjoy making money online, affiliate marketing, making money from home without having to go and work that 9-to-5 job, or if you're just looking to make some side income for, to pay off some debt or to, catch up on the rent or just have some investing money, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. I put out content like this every single week, and if you want to be updated with that content, you have to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload a new money making video. In this video, we're going to go over how you can earn $15 a day using this website, taking screenshots on your phone. This is for Perfection. I know it's kind of a weird, name to pronounce because you want to say perfection, but it's Perfection. They have a lot of notable partners such as Parrot, such as L'Oreal. I'm sure you've heard of them. And what this is it's a user testing website. There's lots of them out here, but this is a very reputable one because of the partners they have and because of how often they pay out. They pay out every single month of your earnings, whatever you do. And what you do is you go on and you test websites. So we're on the main website right now. What you want to do is you want to go to the testers area, right? You want to go right over here to testers area, and they start to give you a little bit things you should know about it, right? A couple details that you should know. Work online, give your opinion on mobile sites and applications, start earning money. And of course you click there and it'll make you sign up. Get heard, brands listen, your opinion counts. Improve your writing proficiency and sense of observation. Get paid every month. You can take vouchers and PayPal money, all right? Most of you guys, I see it in the comment section, most of you want PayPal money. This pays in PayPal money and it's worldwide. There are already 100,000 people using this service. There's some, anecdotal claims right here from some people, some quotes you could see about earning money and how they did it. How it works: explore sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet. Send positive and negative feedback, right? The companies that use this service are looking for honesty. Once they are reviewed by our moderators, you are done. So once they're reviewed by the moderator, you are done and you get paid. What is a feedback? Feedback is a screenshot with an accompanying clear description. You could report positive and negative elements. I would have liked that connection button to be more prominent. I couldn't find it. So what this is used for is companies want to have their websites reviewed. They want to see, where they can improve, what's good, what's bad, and they use this service along other services. There's other services out there, and I will talk about those in the future, so be sure you hit that subscribe button. But they will use these type of websites to get users to test them for an really a cheap price. I'll be honest with you. You don't make a ton of money per feedback. You make about $1 to $2 per feedback. But if you do a couple of these a day, that could actually add up fairly well. And you have to remember, these don't take a lot of time to do. You go, you test the website. It takes maybe 10 minutes, guys. At most 10 minutes. The feedback you give, you don't have to give a paragraph, right? You give a couple sentences, what you liked, what you disliked. You take the screenshot and that is it. All right. So fairly simple. I know you guys like simple. This is taking a screenshot, writing what you liked, and you get paid. All right, so very simple. They have a little, creation demo on their website right over here. Then they have a frequently asked questions. You could ask for a demo. They have some more customers saying thank you, right? So they have a lot on their website of resources for you to check out. A lot of quotes from other people. Of course, they're going to have that, but you can look up other reviews online. This does pay. This pays every month, guys. It's been reviewed. Sometimes the moderators take a little bit longer to do the reviews, but that's completely normal. As long as you get your money, that's all that matters. And another thing you need to know about this is that it all depends on how much of a demand they have for reviews, because if it's a bad month, right? Bad months happen in any business. Bad months happen. If there's a bad month, you might get less requests for reviews, and that'll be less money for you. So the trick to any of these guys is to be on multiple websites, be on multiple user testing websites. So if one has a bad month, you do extra on another website to make up for it. Overall, I think it's very doable to do a couple screenshots, a couple feedbacks per day, which could very easily put you at about $10 to $15 per day. If you do like 4, 5, 6 per day, definitely very reasonable to make a decent side income. But again, your results will vary depending on where you live, depending on the month, the week, how much traffic this website's getting, how many requests they're getting. That all will, make your experience unique. And I can't promise you that you're going to have the best experience. I can't promise you anything. This is just my honest opinion on this. Overall, I want to hear your thoughts. Have you used this website? Are you going to use it? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this review, leave a like, subscribe, share it. Once again, very easy. You sign up, you explore the sites, you take a screenshot, you write a couple sentences, they get reviewed, and you get paid. That's how it works. It's a simple, very, very simple, workflow. All you have to do, screenshot, write a few sentences, send it in, and then you get paid. Very simple. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, share it. I will catch you next time. And as always, have a great day.